Hello everyone, I'm Annie from Topa. Welcome to our new showroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Cherry.
Topa is the professional manufacturer of hydraulic adapter, hydraulic fittings, hydraulic hose, and other related
Hydraulic
products.
fluid.
Yes.
Fluid.
We can provide a one-stop solution for hydraulic fluid. Yes.
Last new show, we have introduced many all product, one-piece hydraulic fittings.
Yes, two-piece hydraulic fittings.
Hydraulic ferrule.
Yes, flange.
And reusable hydraulic fittings.
And compression
hydraulic fittings.
Yes.
And plug and adapter T.
Yes. Many customers tell us the new show is very helpful for them. They through the new show had a deeper understanding for hydraulic fittings.
Yes, they can choose the tapers more easily.
Yes. Do you want to say it again?
Yeah, if you want to get our former new show videos, please contact us and leave the message on new showroom. You will get all of it. It's more valuable for you.
Yes, we also will often update our new show, so please follow us
and subscribe us.
Yes.
Okay, today we will introduce our many types hydraulic adapter. Adapter it is very complicated and the steps are very much.
Yes, if you want to get more information or want to get detailed drawings, please contact us. We will send it to you.
Yeah, we will send our catalog electric version to you by message. If you send us message, you will get this.
Yes, very detailed drawing. Okay, on our table you can see many different type of hydraulic adapter. We will introduce to you one by one.
Okay, there are many threads. We can start from GSA thread.
Yes.
It is a hot sale and very popular in the industry and hydraulic
market.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. This is JIC male, male to male.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is straight, and this is 90 degree. We also have 45 degree.
Yes. This is 74 cord.
Oh yes, we also called 37 flare GSA fittings.
Yes. This is male to female. The female have a flare.
Yeah, it's like a horn.
Yes.
Yeah.
With a creaming nut. Okay. Yes.
This is straight,
yes.
and this is 90 degree.
And we can provide
45 degree. Yes. And this is a plug, GSC plug. And our last new show, we have introduced detailed about plug information. If you want to get more information, please contact us and get the new show video. This plug is used to save and protect companies from damage. You can see it. This plug.
Yes.
GSC plug.
This is the JIC bushing. This is male. This is female. The fluid can through.
Yeah, yes, you can through here.
Yes.
Yeah. But this
one.
is plug. This is bushing.
Yes.
Bushing.
This is JIC male bulkhead.
Yeah.
Yes. This one with one hexagonal.
Yeah,
Yes.
but this one has two hexagonal, and
Yes.
this is lock nut. Lock nut. You can see you can slip out.
Yes.
If you want to get this one, or tap at LN.
Yes.
Yeah, LN.
Or tell us you need GSA
Yeah.
bulkhead with lock nut. Yes. Okay. This a small adapter. This is GSA
Nut.
Yes.
Only nut.
Yes, only a nut.
Oh, this is a cap. GSA cap is very small size, but we also have a big size.
Yes. This is GSAT, male thread. We will introduced the T in the last
Liu show. We
Yes.
have male T and female T and
Yes.
run T and also branch T.
Yes.
Branch
Many
T.
different
Yeah,
types.
many different types. We have introduced the detailed information about all kinds of T last Liu show. So please contact us and leave message. We will send you our Liu show last Liu show video.
Yes. This is cross. The thread is GSA.
Yeah, GSA
or-
male.
Yes, GSA male. Okay. Do you have any questions about GSA fitting? Welcome to message our Liu showroom.
Yes, the GSA on our table is not all our GSA thread.
Yes.
We can provide many GSA thread. We can also customize and also other standard, but on table couldn't put on
It's
more.
full, yes.
Yeah, it's full. Couldn't put on more tabs. So this is a standard usually tab. We also have other many GS tabs. If you want to get the information and want to get another tabs GSA, please contact us. If you want to get free sample, please contact
yes.
us. You can get free
Free
sample.
sample,
Yes.
yes. Okay. Next, let's say the
Oh,
ORFS adapters.
Yeah. This is a male, two male ORFS. There is with O-ring. The seal is carried out by press O-ring on the grill part. We also have introduced this on our first
Liu show.
Liu show
Yes.
about hose fitting. Similar, but this two sets has a thread, and the hose fitting only has one side has a
One
thread.
side,
Yeah,
yes.
another side is nipple.
Yes.
Yeah,
And this fitting seal is very good.
yeah.
Yes.
It's best solution for seal.
Yes. This is ORFS male to female. On the male thread have an O-ring.
Oh, the female thread.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's flat.
flat.
Yes, you
You can see it.
Yes,
You can see it.
it is clearly.
Yeah. Can you see it? If you don't see it clearly, we can send you pictures and also videos to you.
Yes, this is straight tap, and this is 90 degree. We also have 45 degree. Okay. This.
Yeah.
This is ORFS bulkhead adapters, male thread, and have an O-ring on the top.
Yeah. This is a lock nut
Yes,
lock
also
nut.
have a lock nut.
with the tap with at
LN.
LN.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, this is ORFS plug. You can see with O-ring on it.
Yes. This is ORFS T.
Yeah.
Also have O-ring on the male thread.
Yeah.
Yes.
The T also has a male, female, run T, and also the branch T.
Yes.
This is a
Cap.
cap,
Yes.
ORFS cap. And the ORFS also has bushing
Yes.
and also cross.
Yes.
Yeah, also have cross.
Cross.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's say, do you know what is this fitting?
Yeah, the thread is very special. Also American stand. Yeah.
Yes.
Also American stand taps. This is
Oh, yes. This is NPT thread. Very special. You can
have the
yes.
taper.
Paper. Yes.
The thread is taper. It's taper. You can see, oh, it's more. It's very smaller.
Yes.
This is straight.
This is
90 degree.
Yes. Also have 45 degree.
Yeah.
This is male to female.
Female. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, very small adapter. What's this?
Oh, this is plug.
Yes.
MPT plug. You can see similar. All the plug have different thread. GSC, and ORFS. Yeah.
Yes. This is NPT bushing. The fluid can through.
Yes.
Yes.
Same, but the thread is different.
Yes. This also very similar.
Yeah.
But this can through.
This is a plug. This is a bushing. Yes. Oh, this is similar. Is very. This looks special.
Yes.
Yeah. This is a female thread.
Yes.
And female NPT thread, and another side also female NPT thread.
Yes. This is straight.
Yeah.
And this is 90 degree. Also have 45 degree.
Yeah, this type of NPT thread also can be similar, same like this, but this thread is not NPT. NPT thread also can make like this. Yes, two sides are female NPT.
Yes.
But this is not NPT.
This is.
Yeah.
You can guess. Okay, this is NPT T adapter. You can see the end is round. We also can do hexagonal end like this.
Yeah. Yes.
If you want this, you can tell us you want add PK. PK, we will do like this.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
MBT is is also very popular in the market.
In the
market, yes. We also have MPTF. MPTF is more better sale than MPT. So
yes.
Before you make order or inquire to us, please tell us MPT you need
yes.
or MPTF you need.
Yes. Do you want a free sample?
Yeah, we have prepared for you.
Yes.
Anyone want to eat?
Please contact us.
Yeah, don't miss this chance.
Yes. Okay, let's say the BSP thread.
This is wow, male to male.
Yes.
This is BSPT.
Yes.
Yeah, thread. And
similar but
yeah,
special,
can you say different? This is BSPT, but this is BSP.
Yes.
This is
straight.
straight, and this is taper. Yeah, it's more smaller and
yes.
smaller.
So this is BSPT, and
yeah.
this is BSP. This is straight.
Oh, yes.
Okay. This also is the BSP thread. But there have captive seal. Yes.
Captive seal. We also call this ED seal.
Yes.
ED seal. If you want to get this ED seal, please add the type ED.
Yes.
WD.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, WD. Add WD here.
Yes. This is straight, and this is 90 degree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is very special.
Yeah.
Two sides a female BSP thread. You can see two sides female thread is BSP.
Yes, it's BSP.
And 60.6. Yes, metal to metal seal, right?
Yes. With a creaming nut.
Yeah. You can see.
Very convenient when you when you use. This is a BSP plug with a captive seal. Yes.
Oh, just see.
Yes.
BSP bulkhead. Yeah, with the lacquer nut. Oh, we have different bulkhead and GSA.
Yes.
And ORFS, but they are different thread.
Yes.
This ORFS,
This
this
is
GSA, and this is BSP.
Yes.
Oh, we also have this. This is metric.
Yes.
Metric.
It's special. We
Bulkhead.
will.
Different types of bulkhead.
Yes, we will introduce later. Very special.
Okay, don't hurry.
Yes. Okay. This is BSP male, and this also is BSP male, but this is BSPT. This is BSP. Yes.
Yeah.
Like
BSPT
this.
and BSP.
Straight
Straight thread and
Straight.
taper thread.
Yes.
Oh, this is cap.
Yes.
BSP cap. You can see female.
Yes.
You can see it.
60.6.
Yeah.
Yes. This is BSPT key with a female thread. We also can provide a round type. You can see they are different.
You can choose which one you need.
Yes.
Okay, we have finished the introduce GSA or RFS and NPT and BSP thread. If you want to know more about it and if you want to get a free sample,
yes.
please left a message to us. If there is no fittings on the table you need, please also tell us. We can make all kinds of fittings. As long as you give us a drawing or sample, we can make customized as per your requirement.
Okay. Next, let's see the metric fitting. Many different type.
Yeah, metric have so many types. I only know some types of it. Can you know all metric types?
Oh, I think I also cannot do all.
Yeah.
There are many different type.
Last live show we have introduced compression fittings. It is a part of metric fittings. Okay, this part we don't introduce the compression fittings, but this if you add the cutting ring, and nut, it change to compression fitting. Yes, you can change. Like this. Yeah. Yes, with cutting ring.
Very small. A ring and a nut.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we will introduce metric fitting to you. This is male to male.
Yeah.
Straight type. Also have 45 degree and 90 degree.
This is also male to male.
With a
captive seal.
Yes.
We also call the WD seal.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see WD.
If you want
here.
it's black. If you want this, you can tell us you need WD. Yes.
Yeah.
Model with WD. Okay. And they are same.
Yeah.
The size is different.
Yes.
Okay. This
is straight and this is
reducer tube adapter. Very special.
With a swivel nut. swivel nut. You can see 90-degree elbow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Big
This
size.
is metric. Yes,
Yes.
metric. And this is male, and this is female.
Female.
24
colon
Yeah.
seat. Yes.
You can see with orange on it.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, this is very special.
Oh. Well,
You
there
can
is-
see. Oh, what's this? Do
This
you know?
is thrust wire nut.
Thrust.
Yeah.
Where you can see this is very special nut.
Yes. If you want this, you can tell us.
Yeah, we can make it.
Yes. It's very it's an idea for using high pressure
Yeah.
equipment.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
used in very special requirement and the strict environment use this kind of fittings.
Yes. This also is very special.
Yeah.
This is straight tube adapter with a
Also swivel
nut. Yes.
swivel nut. Yeah.
Yes.
Two sides are female and also has the
Thrust wire nut.
Yes,
Yes.
thrust wire nut. Oh,
There is
same,
a hole.
but
Same.
different size.
Yes.
Yeah, a small, big. Oh, there are thrust wire,
Yes.
two sets, and female 24 seat,
Oh,
24 coin seat,
Yes.
metric.
If you want this one, you can tell us you need a thrust wire nut.
Yes. Oh, we have take it out.
Yes, the special one.
Yeah, this is
Metric,
back height,
height,
metric
yeah.
back height. If there is a
Like a
nut,
nut, yes.
if we add the cutting ring, you see cutting ring, you need to add
RN.
RN.
Yes.
Yes, RN. It's changed to compression fitting.
Yes, ring with nut.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
You can see it. Change to this.
Yes, special.
Yeah.
This. Different. Yes.
There are two nut and also two cutting ring here.
Yes. This is a metric cap. Many different sizes.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see orange on it 24-degree column.
Concept. Yes. This is metric T, equal size.
Male metric.
Yes,
Yeah.
male metric. Okay. Well, those like a little special.
Oh yes. On former we have introduced the two sets are same thread,
Yes.
but this line, this last line also very important. These two sets in different thread.
Thread,
Yes. This similar like this. One side is GSA male, and another side is MPT
Male.
male
Yes.
thread.
With a taper.
Yes,
Yes.
with taper. So they are different thread. One side GSA and one side is MPT thread. Yes.
This is JSA male, and this is BSP
With O-ring.
Yes, with O-ring.
You can see it. You can see it.
Different.
Yes. Oh, this can swivel. You can see.
Oh yes. Okay, this is JSA male, and this end is SAE O-ring. There have an O-ring, black one.
Yeah.
Can you see
This,
it?
this is straight. This is 90 degree
Yes.
band. Elbow.
Yes.
Oh, this tab is very popular in American market. This is also called SAE tab. Yes, SAE
thread.
American Standard tab. It's very hot sale and use it very much.
Yes. They are same. Also,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
JSA male and
Yeah,
NPT.
same size and
Yeah.
same thread.
Wow.
Yeah, they are twins.
Yes. Okay. This is JSA female flare, and this is
BSP with
mail.
orange.
Yes,
Yes.
with orange.
Oh, this is NPS. Oh, NPSM female and
Yes.
NPT male thread.
Also special.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one.
NPSM also is very special thread. It looks similar like BSP
Yes.
female, but they are different.
This is male to male, but they are very similar, but they are different. This the small size is BSP.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
The big size is
Metric.
Very
Metric.
very similar, but
Yeah.
they are different thread.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is metric female 24-degree coin, and this is BSP with
male, 对 with
the orange,
Yes.
orange. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, this is also
thrust nut, wire nut.
Yeah.
Yes.
thrust walnut.
The nut can swivel.
Yeah.
Swivel nut. This is
Yeah.
swivel nut. Yes. Oh, is this stainless steel?
Yeah, yes, the
Oh.
stainless steel. We also can provide carbon steel material and also stainless steel.
Yes.
And also brass material. So you can tell us which material you
You
need.
want, yes.
Yeah.
If you want other material, also can tell us. We
Yeah.
can customize the fitting.
Yeah, all these fittings must match with the hose fittings. And hose fitting must match hydraulic hose. So we have related advanced stop solution and one-stop hydraulic products for you. Like this. This is adapter and this is hose fittings.
Yes.
This is GSC female and this is GSC male. They can match together. Yeah, like this.
Oh, match.
Yeah,
Yes.
like this.
We
Yeah.
can also provide this
Hose assembly.
Yes.
Yeah, this hose is smooth
Yes,
one.
smooth,
Yeah, smooth.
surface.
Yeah, smooth surface. We can provide this. If you want to get the hose assembly, we also can provide. Please
Yes.
tell us the hose size and the
The
length,
lung, yes.
the lung, and also the two size fittings.
And the fitting thread.
Yes, the fitting thread and the fitting size.
Yes.
Yeah, we can provide you. Oh, this is for our American
Customer.
Yeah, not for you. If you want to, you want to get some sample of hose assembly, please also tell us. We can provide for you.
Yes. Okay. Our live show finished. Do you
Yeah.
have any questions? Please follow us and contact us. We will help you.
Yeah, the tips are very many. We can't not know it one time. So our live show will update and
We often update
yeah, we will
live show.
update every week. We can provide more information you need. If our live show don't provide the information you need, please tell us. We can take one live show special introduce for what you need. Okay?
Yes. So please follow us.
Yeah. You can know more about the information and you will get what you want.
Yes.
Okay. Our live show have finished. If you want to know more information, please contact us and leave message to our live showroom. Or also can subscribe us.
Yes,
you will
follow
get
us.
the newest information. Okay. See you
Next time.
Okay.
Bye
Bye bye.